Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can encrypted email in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. After logging to a Gmail account, go to here compose and put here the email address and then put here the subject. Okay, now how you can encrypt. Right here your all of the details or full email. Then you'll find here a lock icon. You can see here, right, the lock icon. Click on this. This is confidential mode. So what you're gonna do is set expiration 1 day or 1 week. That means after 1 day or 1 week or the setting time, this email has been vanished or they cannot access to this mail anymore. So if you click on this 1 day, this will be like this. You can send SMS passcode or no SMS passcode, that's up to you. Just click on save, and now you can see here content expires in the specific date. So if you click on send, now go to send and let's see, here's your confidential email. Okay, and it is encrypted. You can remove access anytime from here. You can renew access anytime again. So guys, this is how you can encrypt your email in Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.